Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. In our last class, I explained lesson number 3 of English Reader, The Shepherd's Treasure. It was a nice story. I hope you must revise the chapter The Shepherd's Treasure. This was a story about a shepherd. He was very poor, but he was very wise and very humble. Okay, we all know the story very well. Explanation part is already done. Today I am going to give you question answer to write. Before going to question answer, have a look on this story. We'll revise the summary points given in textbook only. See, the first point is there. A poor shepherd once lived in Iran. The shepherd belonged to Iran. This is a Irani folk tale. Though uneducated, he was very wise and helpful. We know that he was uneducated means he never studied, but still he was very wise, very intelligent and helpful. The king decided to meet him in disguise. We know that king decided to meet him. The reason also we know that king have also heard that because the shepherd have become very famous. Why? Because of his intelligence. He used to give suggestion to other people and he was very humble also. That's why king also heard about him. King got impressed and decided to meet the shepherd. Now see in next page, the points are given there. The shepherd was able to make out that his visitor was none other than the king. Okay, as king, when king came to the shepherd, he not came as a king. Okay, he was came as a ordinary person means he left his king's attire and he wore simple ordinary clothes and then came in front of the shepherd. But as we know that shepherd was very wise, he came to know that he is not he is king only, not any other ordinary person. The king made the wise shepherd governor of a small district. When king met to the shepherd, king also got impressed with him. They talked, they discussed, because king stayed with him a night in his cave. Then king got very impressed and he thought that I need such kind of people to work for me. That's why king appointed him a governor of a small district. Okay, then after getting a good position, good post, still the shepherd remained as humble as he was earlier. See what happened the next. Other governors become jealous of the new governor and called him dishonest. Okay, because the new governor means the shepherd, he was becoming famous. Everyone was talking about him. He was becoming famous and king was also getting impressed with him day by day. That's why other governor of other parts of the country started to get jealous with the new governor. Now see what they did. See in next page, the new governor was called to the palace. Who called? Obviously king called to the new governor to the palace. We know that why king called him, because other governors was talking a lot against the shepherd to the king. They were saying that he is not honest, he is dishonest, but they don't have anything to prove, anything to say against the shepherd. That's why they came to know the point that only one point was there, and that was that the shepherd always carry a iron chest with him. That's why they get some suspense. That's why they said, why does he carry that iron chest with him every time? Okay, then he was ordered to explain why he always carried an iron chest. He was ordered, means order was given by the king to the shepherd, that why does he always carry that iron chest. Now see what happened. We know, already know, when king ordered to open that iron chest, the chest contained no gold or silver. We know that nothing was there, no money, no gold, no silver. What was there? You must know. Yes, there was only one old blanket was there. And what Safford said about that? The Safford said that this is only one of my friend who will always protect me, who will always be with me, even though I will lose this post and position, or you will take it back this position, still this blanket will protect me. This was the story. It was very nice and very interesting moral story. Now come to the question answers. See, the first question is it is objective type question. The Safford had not been to school. We know that Safford never been to school because why? Three options are given there. First one is there, he was very poor. Second one is there were very few school in those days, and third one, he was not interested in studied. Yes, we know the answer. The answer is second one. There were very few school in those days. Okay, second question is there. Who visited the Safford one day and why? The answer we know very well because you have revised the chapter. I have explained twice and three times. Okay, if we read the lesson attentively, we came to know all the points and it becomes very easy for us to give the answer, to write the answer. Yes, we know that who visited the Safford. Obviously, the king visited the Safford. And why? Because when he heard a lot about him, he wanted to meet. Okay. But when we write an answer, we need to write it in a proper way, proper sentence formation. Then see what answer we are going to give. The Safford soon became famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king of Iran heard about him and visited him. He was riding a mule and dressed like a Safford. Means king was also dressed like a Safford. Okay, this was the answer of question number 2. Now we'll see question number 3. It is who visit it is why did the other governors grow jealous of the Safford? Okay, do we know this answer? Yes, obviously, other governors got jealous because that new governor was becoming famous. Everyone's talking about him, the first region and the second region. Before getting the post of as a governor, he was a Safford. He was very poor. That's why they were thinking that he was poor. He was Safford, and suddenly he got the post and becoming famous day by day. That's why they got jealous. See how we'll give the answer. The common Safford was appointed the governor of a small district. He was a common Safford and got a higher post. He was loved and honored by the people. Okay, it is not easy to get honor and love. For that we also have to invest, because the Safford was very wise. He was very friendly by his nature. That's why he was getting famous. Everyone was loving him, honoring him. Yes, this fame spread far and wide, so the governors of other provinces grew jealous of him. Yes, this was the answer. We know, but we need to write it systematically. Next one is why was the new governor called to the palace? Yes, king ordered to the new governor. Who is the new governor? The Safford is new governor. Yes, and who called him to the palace? Yes, king called him to the palace. See, from a question we can form so many questions, and we should know to give the answer, because in the question it is not necessary. It is not like that you will get same question. It may be there who called new governor in the palace. We know that king called the new governor in the palace. The second way, who is the new governor? We know that Safford is the new governor. A question may be like different ways. Yes. Now here the question we have got, why was the new governor called to the palace? The answer is the jealous governors polished the king's heir against the new Safford governor. They reported that the new governor was dishonest and he always carried his ill-gotten treasure in an iron chest. So the king called him to the palace to see that treasure. Okay, the other governor have polished the king. They have told that the new governor have hided some treasure in that iron chest. So king want to prove. King want to see what was there in that treasure, and we know that there was an old blanket, but that old blanket only was the shepherd's treasure, because treasure means the valuable things. But for all the person, different valuable things are there. Some people give value to money, some people give value to books, some people give value to jewelry, some people give values to, like kids give values to toys, like that. These four question answers I have explained today. Please write them in your notebook, and at the same time learn it. It will be very easy for you if you learn at the same time. Okay, now we'll meet tomorrow in our English class. Take care, be healthy, be safe. Bye, have a nice day.